Hello everyone! Welcome back to English Boost TV. I'm Emma.
And I'm David. Today, we will help you learn basic English for beginners.
Yes, if you are just starting to learn English, don't worry. This lesson is simple, easy, and fun.
Let's start.
First, let's learn greetings. When you meet someone, you can say, hello, hi.
You can also say good morning before 12 p.m., good afternoon after 12 p.m., good evening at night.
Let's practice. Hello.
Hi.
Good morning.
Now let's learn how to introduce yourself.
You can say, my name is Emma. I am Emma.
Or simply, I'm Emma.
Let's try together.
My name is David.
My name is Emma.
Now, how do you ask someone's name?
You can say, what is your name?
Or shorter, what's your name?
Let's practice a short conversation. Mini conversation. Hello.
Hi.
What's your name?
My name is David. What's your name?
I'm Emma. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Now let's learn some basic questions.
You can ask, how are you?
And you can answer, I'm fine. I'm good. I'm okay. Practice conversation.
Hi Emma, how are you?
I'm good, thank you. How are you?
I'm fine. Talking about where you are from.
You can also talk about your country.
Ask, where are you from?
Answer, I am from England. I am from Kenya. I am from the USA. Where are you from, David?
I am from England. Where are you from?
I am from the UK.
Simple daily sentences. Here are some simple sentences you can use every day. I like English. I am learning English. I am a student.
Let's repeat together.
I like English. I am learning English. I am a student.
I like English. I am learning English. I am a student. Finally, let's learn how to say goodbye.
You can say goodbye, bye, see you.
Or see you later. Final conversation. It was nice talking to you.
Nice talking to you too.
Goodbye, David. See you later. Great job today.
Keep practicing every day. Speak English slowly and clearly. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to English Boost TV. See you in the next lesson. Bye.